Hey, this is Dave at housebarons.com. Today we're going to replace a toilet handle without a chain. There's a couple different kinds of mechanisms that are used to drain a toilet tank. As you can see in this particular tank, the handle, which is mounted on the side, is connected to the lever. And then at the base of that lever, at the end of that lever, is a chain. And the chain pulls up on this cylinder and drains the tank. So that chain right there, you'll notice that this lever is very short because all it needs is a chain at the end to connect to that cylinder and then drain the tank. The lever we're going to put in is a lot longer, but can be shortened if necessary depending on the type of tank you have. The one we're going to repair right now though is just a lever that connects directly to the mechanism to drain the tank. All right, so we have a broken handle. The handle, usually there's a mechanism that comes off of this and goes into, there's a hole. Yeah, it goes right into there. Slot. Into that slot. And so, of course, it was plastic and broke off. So all you gotta do here is take the old handle out. It's a little wedged in there. And now all we gotta do is put a pair of pliers or channel locks on there and we should be good to go. So your choices are either a pair of channel locks or a crescent wrench, adjustable crescent wrench, to loosen the existing nut. Now the first thing we want to do is check which way this is threaded, because the other one that's going to go on here is reverse threaded. A plastic piece, so it'll unscrew pretty easily. And then this is just they cast these toilet tanks with the hole already, and now it just pops out like that. And there's the hole. All right, so now we just got to take our new one, and this is we ended up with a Fluid Master universal toilet tank lever. This one's brass, and it's replacing this other one that was plastic, which certainly didn't hold up. And so we're going with brass, and they have holes in them. If your lever arm has a chain mount, the chain would link through those holes right there. And this one, it's just going to be a straight bar through that slot. And either way, that's what you're looking for. We'll have a link in the description below if you want to pick one of those up at Amazon. All right, so there's our new handle with the brass arm. And it comes with that nut, and the flat side is supposed to go in towards the inside of the tank, and it's reverse threaded, so pay attention to that. So the first thing we're going to do is feed it through that hole.
That doesn't come out, huh?
Well, what we're going to do, there we go. That slot right there turns so you can get the long arm in there. Once it's in there, you're pretty.
But you got a nut on there.
Messed up. Okay. Okay. First thing is we're going to take this handle and the brass bar and stick it in that hole, kind of an upward angle, till we get it all the way in, and then put this flat side facing towards the toilet like that. And then we're gonna leave ourselves a little bit of room so we can dial this back around, the slot back around there. So we turned this, basically, let me hold it this way. This turns like so. And now we turn it back through there. Once the arm is through the hole, and yours may be different, especially if you're just hooking up with a chain, then all we can do is push this into the existing hole. And it's a little bit of a tight fit, but it's designed to be that way. Okay. And then this gets threaded. It's reverse threaded. So this, if you're used to the way things thread normally, this is backwards. And that's so that when you use the handle, it doesn't loosen this.
All right.
You don't make it too tight either. It says
Yeah, and it's a hand tight only.
plastic, yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Have to wait for that to quiet down a bit. There we go. Now the handle sits in that hole. It's a little bit loose, so it doesn't interfere against the body of that right there. The body of that. And there you go. 10-minute job and you're all done. Voila.
I hope this video helped. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button if you would as well. It really helps out our channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.